Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
But let us have a look at the product rule directly. Once I click on Modify Product, rule opens up. Once you look at the product rule, we can understand that. We can, have a granularity in the product rule. Directly, you can select the versions of the rules. I mean, from which version to version would you like to have on the product rule? Or what entities would you like to individually have them? You can decide on the product. You see the product rule admin product for HRS. And what is it part of? It's part of HRS one. Because initially we made a selection for it that it should be part of 0-1. What are the applications to include HRS? Then you have a version. And then if in case you need specific rules such to be involved within a range of versions, you can include them. This is more like a granular approach. Then your classes, all your data classes will be reported in here. Then all your individual instances starting with. You see the tables related to the databases, then the access groups, then the operators in my organization division, unit work queues, work baskets, work groups. All of these are available. And then towards the end, no jars far. They are not available. I mean, we did not add any jars. They're not available. Will be given the final details. Let me give something like this. Bar. There's one important option here. Allow unlocked rule set versions. This allows the product rule to have some unlocked rule set versions. Because if you see HRS SO 1 is still unlocked. Now, would this product rule allow unlocked versions? If you would like to click yes. If not, no, you don't want any unlocked versions on your product rule. Then what you do is go back to your rule, set, lock it, and then you can just save this product. Either of the one we have to do. Either if you are willing to lock the rule set, then you can deselect this. Or if you think the rules that has to be unlocked, then enable this. As it is already unlocked, I would like to enable it. Then here also you can find or you can have a preview of the product rule. You can either create or save. Now there's one more global exclusion. Sorry, can you scroll up? Here global exclusion. Can you expand that one? Here I mean, if it is like if you would like to exclude few things from your product rule. What all would you like to exclude? These things, most of them are part of deprecated rules. You see, few things are deprecated. If you don't want any of these to be part of your product rule, you can select them that they will be discarded here itself. Now yes, product rule. I'll just click on create product file. This is going to create a wrap for me. We have just created a product rule, but once I click on create product file, a wrap would be created. Let us give it a name. Let it be one. This wizard might take a moment because it is consolidating all your rules data instances, all the rule sets, everything. You'll be able to see this progress here. I see around 1, 3, double, 5 records are being part of your product rule. Now I mean product file, in fact. Yes, here is my hard drive. Let me download it. Yes, my archive file. Yes, this being downloaded, and this is how, as a zip file, I would be looking at. This is where we have created a product rule, and from that we have got our wrap file. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.